Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Podcast, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
With our Stock Movers, our new successful podcast. John Tucker.
And let's start at the top. Apple receiving at least 2 downgrades this morning. This follows the quarterly results that reinforce concerns over tariffs as well as the growth potential for the company. Jefferies cutting the stock to underperform, becoming one of the rare bears on the iPhone maker. Separately, you also had Rosenblatt Securities downgrading the stock to neutral from buy. Chevron going to reduce the share buybacks this quarter after oil prices, they tumbled. This indicates that President Trump's trade war hurting a key U.S. industry that he actually pledged to help. Chevron is going to repurchase about $2.75 billion of stock in the second quarter. That's 30% less than it bought in the first 3 months of the year. This comes despite Chevron beating earnings estimates on more low-cost production. And Exxon Mobil also reporting earnings is sticking to its plan to buy back about $5 billion in shares per quarter. And then you have Shell said it has the financial wherewithal to keep repurchasing upwards of $3 billion of shares each quarter, even if crude oil plunges as low as $50 a barrel. And then you have...
5-0, you said?
5-0 is the number there.
What does that put a gallon of gas at the Wawa?
Last check, it was under 3.
Yep.
So you could go like a 220, 230?
It's possible.
Well, you're breaking out the Hummer now. I mean, this Hummer's an antique, so it only brings it out.
I'm at 287 a gallon at the BP station on Route 35 in Wall.
I'm not too far behind at the Wall.
They have a pricing war, these guys. Okay. There's like 3 stations there, and they're just...
It's a value add for Stock Movers, your podcast there.
Let's wrap up with Take-Two Interactive. It says it's its video game, Grand Theft Auto 6. It was expected to launch in the fall, now planned for release in May of 2026. This title, they've already missed multiple deadlines. It likely has been the biggest release, would have been the biggest release this year. And now, again, it won't hit the market until May 26, 2026. Take-Two announcing in a statement.
The Stock Movers Podcast from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.